Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How about making a party snack today? So let's go and make jalapeno poppers. These jalapeno poppers make a lovely party snack. They are so nice and crispy on the outside, and after frying, when you take a bite, the cheese melts into your mouth. They are really divine. You have to make them to know how good they taste. It's a treat for spicy food lovers. And I have stuffed them with Parmesan cheese and little bit of mozzarella. You can use any cheese you like, and also cream cheese will do. And to replace the bacon bits which I have used here, you can go for mushrooms. Vegetarians can choose mushrooms, or even chicken or corn will do. So use any stuffing, or you can even use plain cheese with herbs. So whatever you feel like, you can stuff the peppers with. And the best part is these poppers can be made much ahead of time and kept in the refrigerator, and you can just fry them before the party. So very easy to make. So let's proceed to make the jalapeno poppers. And friends, do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon to get the notifications. So let's proceed. To make jalapeno poppers, we require jalapeno peppers or jalapeno chilies as needed, grated cheese, you can use any cheese available, crispy fried bacon pieces. This is optional, you can skip it. Flour, all-purpose flour for coating, breadcrumbs for coating as needed, milk for dipping, oil for frying the peppers, and we'll also require garlic granules and salt to taste. Now we are going to de-seed the jalapenos. I would suggest you wear gloves while doing this, as the peppers are quite hot. I am used to it, so I did not wear them. Remove the seeds with the help of a sharp knife. Scoop out everything with the edge of the knife. Do this with all the peppers and wash them thoroughly. Now we are going to blanch them lightly. Just give one boil and switch off the gas. Remove the blanched jalapenos into a plate. Let them cool. Meanwhile, we'll fry the bacon pieces. Take about 4 or 5 pieces. You don't have to use any oil, the fat comes out. Fry until they are crispy. Cut them into small tiny bits and mix it with the grated cheese. Set this mixture aside. Now the blanched peppers need to be wiped thoroughly with a kitchen tissue. Before stuffing them. Now take each pepper and stuff it well with this cheese and bacon mixture. If you are a vegetarian, you can skip the bacon. If you like to add some chicken, you can go ahead and add it. You can also use cream cheese or mozzarella cheese, any cheese you like. Repeat it with the remaining peppers. Stuff them well. Now all the peppers are stuffed and ready to be coated. In a flat plate, put some flour as needed, all-purpose flour, and mix little salt in it. Mix it. Take another plate. Take out about 4 to 5 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, dry breadcrumbs. Now mix the garlic granules in it. Mix everything together. The coating will give a very nice flavor with the garlic. Now dip each pepper in the milk first and then the flour. Coat it well. Do this twice so that there is sufficient coating. You see, it is coated very well now. Place them in a plate. Repeat the process with the remaining peppers. Now all the peppers are coated with the flour. We'll set them aside for 5 minutes in the refrigerator. Now we are going to do the second coating with breadcrumbs. Again repeat the same thing. Dip in the milk and coat with the garlic flavored breadcrumbs. Repeat with the other peppers. Take care that all of them are coated very well. Now this process has to be repeated twice. These peppers coated once will stay in the refrigerator for 5 minutes. Remove and repeat the coating again. This gives a nice and thick layer. Now the peppers are ready, coated twice. You can see the thickness of the coating. And by resting in the refrigerator, they are quite firm and nice. Now they are ready for frying. Place a frying pan and pour the oil for frying. Allow it to become hot. Now I think it's hot enough. Dip in the stuffed peppers one by one. Keep turning them with the kitchen tongs. Turn them from time to time so that they are fried evenly on all the sides. Do this on medium flame so that they get nice and crispy. These peppers are really very delicious, a treat for spicy food lovers. The detailed recipe is also available on my website. I'm sharing the link in the description box. You can check it out. Now remove them on the kitchen tissue. The last one is getting fried now. You can even store the coated ones in the refrigerator, make them the previous day so that you can fry them in the party. Wow, the delicious jalapeno poppers are ready for you.